Wait, did that river just swallow itself? In Iceland, there's a place where rivers don't flow down cliffs, they fall inside themselves. These aren't sci-fi portals or sinkholes, they're real, natural waterfalls hidden inside the glaciers' rivers. It's nature's most dramatic plumbing system, and you've probably never heard of it.
Behind every moment lies a scientific wonder. I'm Cael, and welcome to Sci Curios, where curiosity meets science.
Here in Vanishes, the largest glacier in Europe, meltwater rivers race across the surface, then suddenly vanish into deep blue pits called moulins. These vertical ice tunnels plunge hundreds of meters down, forming waterfalls inside the glacier itself. From above, it looks like the river is devouring itself, but beneath, it's carving an entire world of icy caves and tunnels. Glaciers aren't solid. They're layered with cracks and channels that meltwater can exploit. Once a tiny stream finds a weak spot, it drills downward, melting more ice and widening the tunnel like a straw carved by pressure and heat. Moulins are roughly circular, vertical shafts, often up to 10 meters wide, typically found on ice sheets and flat areas of a glacier in regions of transverse crevasses. These shafts can reach the bottom of the glacier, hundreds of meters deep, or may only reach the depth of common crevasse formation, about 10 to 40 meters, where the stream flows in glacially. They are the most typical cause for the formation of a glacier cave, creating vast, hidden networks beneath the surface. The formation of moulins is often triggered by the catastrophic drainage of lakes on the ice surface. The immense water pressure from these drained lakes causes fracturing in the ice, which leads to the creation of these vertical shafts. These fractures typically don't occur during winter, spring, or most of the summer. They need the immense pressure from a large amount of water draining rapidly. Some moulins can funnel 500 cubic meters of water per second, almost half the flow of Niagara Falls, but completely hidden beneath the ice. These waterfalls keep the glacier alive, draining meltwater so it doesn't burst apart. Think of it as the glacier's natural cooling and circulation system. Scientists have actually recorded these waterfalls using hydrophones. The sound? Like thunder echoing through glass tunnels, wild, constant, and otherworldly. The data helps researchers estimate how much ice is melting each season, which is vital for tracking climate change. Iceland's glaciers reached their maximum size at the end of the 19th century and have since retreated, losing over 2,100 square kilometers, or 17% of their area. From autumn 1994 to autumn 2019, they lost approximately 220 to 260 billion tons of ice, about 10 billion tons per year. This has led to the formation of new glacial lakes and significant changes in runoff patterns across the landscape. Climate change significantly impacts Iceland's glaciers. Since 1989, Vatnajökull has lost 150 to 200 cubic kilometers of ice, with its area reduced by more than 400 square kilometers. The rapid rate of summer melt now exceeds recovery during winter months, leading to a net loss of ice each year. Rising global temperatures, especially in the Arctic and subpolar regions, contribute directly to this accelerated melting. Studies show that a warming of just 1 degree Celsius could cause glaciers to lose 25 to 35% of their volume, a stark warning for the future. The melting glaciers can also cause hazards such as Jökulhlaups or glacial outburst floods, which pose a significant danger to settlements. These floods occur through the steady melting of ice above geothermal areas or during volcanic eruptions under the ice. The eroded material is then carried by the glacial rivers to the coast, where it is deposited on the outwash plain, constantly reshaping the landscape. Glacier hiking can be dangerous due to moulins and crevasses. Moulins are deep wells, and crevasses can be covered by a thin layer of snow, making them invisible. It's essential to have experienced guides and proper equipment when exploring glaciers to ensure safety. And in one daring 2015 expedition, an explorer dropped a GoPro into a moulin. It filmed for a few seconds, then disappeared forever into the abyss. So next time you see a calm, blue river, remember, somewhere beneath the ice, there might be a waterfall raging inside it. Nature doesn't just make beauty, it hides it, deep within the Earth itself. This is CurioGeo, where every drop tells a hidden story.
Science is everywhere if you just know where to look. Thanks for watching Sci Curious. Until next time.